Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transform trash into treasure. This is what my bottle looks like. It's done. I'm going to wash it out and reuse it. Y'all, I tried to take this off, but it is not coming off. I'm not even gonna lie, I have no patience for this, so I'm about to just paint over it and see if it shows or anything like that, and then I'll figure out a way to cover it if it does look terrible with the paint. So let's see how it looks. To paint the bottle, I'm going to be using this chalk paint that I got from Lowe's.
Big brother, go in the reader.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Alright, so this is what the bottle is looking like when it is all dry. You couldn't really see the imperfections that I was worried about hiding, so I'm not too worried about having to cover anything up. I'm just going to add a little bit of blink to it so it doesn't look too plain. But if you guys can see it, let me know if you can see anything, because I couldn't see it. And what do you guys use to remove the stickers off the bottles? I'm going to add So this flower I got from dollar store. The whole bunch is $1. So I'm basically gonna take the stickers off of it, and then I'm going to place it inside of the vase. You can push it in as far as you want, depending on how you want it to look, but I didn't push mine in all the way because I wanted the stems to show a little bit and have a little bit of greenery. And if you are still here watching this video, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. So I wasn't sure where I really wanted to place it, but I ended up putting it in my bathroom because it matched the decor that I had already going on. I didn't even plan it. It just went together. So I'm like, might as well put it here. And I guess this is the best home for it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
In the great outdoors, forever free.